Water pollution is the release of substances or energy into water bodies that interfere with beneficial use or natural functioning of the water or ecosystems. It is a serious issue that affects the health of our planet and its inhabitants. Water bodies include lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, reservoirs, and groundwater. Causes of water pollution. Industrial waste. Factories and manufacturing plants release harmful chemicals and pollutants into water bodies. Agricultural runoff. Pesticides, fertilizers, and other chemicals used in agriculture can seep into water bodies and cause pollution. Sewage. Improperly treated sewage can contaminate water bodies and cause waterborne diseases. Effects of water pollution. Aquatic life. Water pollution can harm aquatic life, such as fish and other marine animals, by contaminating their habitats and food sources. Human health. Water pollution can cause waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis. Preventing water pollution. Reduce plastic use. Plastic waste is a major contributor to water pollution. Reducing plastic use and properly disposing of plastic waste can help prevent water pollution. Properly dispose of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste, such as batteries, electronics, and chemicals, should be disposed of properly to prevent water pollution. Conserve water. Conserving water can help reduce the amount of wastewater that needs to be treated and prevent water pollution. Water pollution is a global issue that requires public discussion and action. By raising awareness, promoting education, and taking action to prevent water pollution, we can protect our planet and its inhabitants from the harmful effects of water pollution.